everyone, myself Rajpira Kaur and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. Coronavirus cases in the country fell down the 15 lakh mark on Saturday after 52 days, with recoveries outnumbering new cases for more than 3 weeks in a row. 2,677 deaths due to coronavirus were recorded in the last 24 hours. India continued to be second most affected. Globally, the active cases in the country have been less than 2 lakh for the 9 successive days. The 6 most affected states by total case are Maharashtra 5 crore 80 lakh 5,565, Karnataka 26 lakhs 35,122, Kerala 2 crore 58 lakh 4,853, Tamil Nadu 2 crore 17 lakh 2,751, and Andhra Pradesh 1 crore 73 lakh 8,990. CSIR, in collaboration with Lexi Life Science Private Limited, has intended phase 2 clinical trial with anti-helmintic drug Niclosamide for treatment for COVID-19. The trial is multi-centric phase 2 randomized open-label clinical study to evaluate efficacy, safety, and tolerability. Niclosamide for the treatment of hospitalized COVID-19 patients. Niclosamide has been extensively used in past for treatment of tapeworms infection in adults as well as children. The safety profile of this drug has been tested over the time and has been found safe for human consumption at a different dose level. Novel coronavirus COVID-19. Prevention is better than cure. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hand regularly. Wear mask. Use sanitizer. Avoid social gathering. Avoid contact with others. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Call toll free number 1800258760. The people of Dhan Chutney village of Ashra block of district were persuaded by the district magistrate for corona vaccine by promoting them development in the village. In fact, a vaccination center was set up in the village. There was an atmosphere of suspicious about this in the village environment since morning after. If there is no problem after the vaccine, this was paramount in the minds of the villager. Instinctively, no one was willing to take the vaccine. District officer Rahul Majumdar was also present. Urgent requirement. TVS Hero Motocrop Limited, Neemrana, Rajasthan. Hero Chowk. All the salary benefit and company benefit are given here, and you can contact this WhatsApp number. You can send your resume on this WhatsApp number. Age limit is 18 to 25 only. Blood donation camp was set up behalf of BJP in Kunti Batika Hall premises of Niruddin Road, located in Ward number 43 of Asansol Municipal Corporation. The camp blood was inaugurated by BJP leader and former Mayor Jitendra Kumar Tiwari by giving a certificate to the blood donor. On this occasion, he said that Service Week is being celebrated at the center of BJP to mark the completion of 7 years. Blood donation camp was set up for the purpose of services the organization, while he said that considering the lack of blood in the district hospital due to the corona pandemic. Motion Open Scholarship Test for class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 21 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center 9434822278. Minister Malak Ghatak inaugurated 2 safe homes for the treatment of corona patients in Asansol. The State Society of Development Engineering Association extended a helping hand to safe homes on Sunday on behalf of the organization. General Secretary Satyendra Das said that their organization has come forward to help the people in the COVID situation. Earlier, he extended a helping hand to the Kolkata Medical College for a treatment of patients suffering from corona Asansol on Sunday. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Mask and sanitizer along with food items were distributed among 40 local janitors by Prayers Club adjacent to Rupnarayanpur outpost in Salanpur block. Mask and sanitizer were given.
কর্মসূচিটা কি? আজকে আমাদের কর্মসূচি হচ্ছে যে আজকে এই যে প্যান্ডেমিক সিচুয়েশন চলছে তার জন্য যারা সমাজের সাফাই কর্মী যারা এই এত বড় এলাকায় যারা সাফাই কর্মী আছে যারা মনে করুন ট্রেনিং করছে তাদের কিছু সহযোগিতা করা তাদের পাশে মানে সবাই আসছেন আর কি দেওয়া হচ্ছে যারা ত্রাণ গায়ে দেওয়া হচ্ছে যাদের কোভিড হয়েছে হ্যান হচ্ছে কিন্তু এদের এই মুহূর্তে এদের অবস্থা আরও খারাপ সেই জন্য ওদের কথা চিন্তা করে নিয়ে আমরা এটাকে চেষ্টা করছি করার কী কী সামগ্রী আমাদের এদের মধ্যে কী আছে ওদের জন্য স্পেশালি যেটা দরকার সেটা হচ্ছে মাস্ক স্যানিটাইজার আর কিছু ড্রাই ফ্রুট ঠিক আছে আর আমাদের ক্লাব হচ্ছে প্রয়াস
কতজনকে দেবেন
আমরা এখন মোটামুটি 30 থেকে 32 জনকে দেবো
কী নাম আপনার
আমার নাম বিপ্লব চ্যাটার্জি আর প্রেসিডেন্ট আমাদের রামদাস মণ্ডল
আপনি কি পদে আছেন
আমি সেক্রেটারি
থেকে কিছু দুষ্ট লোককে সাফাই কর্মচারীদেরকে ওই স্যানিটাইজার কিছু রাসায়ন দেওয়া হচ্ছে ভালো উদ্যোগ এরকম করা মানে প্রায় এখানে করা হয় এই ক্লাবটাও ভালো উদ্যোগ নিয়েছে এটা সবাই মানে ভালো এটা করার দরকার আছে গরিব লোকদের জন্য সবাইকে প্রেরণা মানে আমাদের তরফ থেকে সবাইকে প্রেরণা দেওয়া হোক এটা করা হোক আগেও করা যাক আমরাও আছি সহযোগ করব
नारायण बावरी
वहाँ जाकर हमको फोन कीजिए बात करेंगे
विजन बावरी मदन कर्मकर दिलीप कर्मकर दिलीप बावरी
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Bollywood actor Dilip Kumar has been admitted to Mumbai Hinduzua Hospital on Sunday due to health reasons. The actor has been admitted to the hospital due to shortness of breath, where doctors are keeping an eye on his health. Dr. Jalil Parkhar is treating the 98-year-old actor. Earlier in May, the actor was admitted to the same hospital for a routine checkup and was discharged soon after undergoing all tests. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Registered led by Trinamool Congress Hindi Cell Asansol North Block 1 President Mahesh Bhagat met Malay Ghatak at his residence on Saturday night. Minister Malay Ghatak was honored on behalf of Hindi Cell North Block 1. On behalf of Cell, Sandeep Sonar, Bombi Thakur, Pankaj Kumar, Kundan Kumar, Sanjay Shah, Paras Singh, Kundan Pandit, Vijay Kumar, Shankar Rajak, Umesh Pawan, Barnawal, Ravi, Deepak Gupta, Chinku Thakur, Ashok Palai, Deepu Bhagat, Vipin Kumar, Ashish Kumar, Rahul Das, etc. were present. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Baranpur Red Volunteers sanitize Old Hart Junction from Station Road. Dignitaries present were Chandan Mishra, Pratik Gupta, Anujit Sen Gupta, Angushman Mukherjee, Ayan Mukherjee, Paulami Chakravarti, Prashanta Ghosh, Minanki Sarkar, Alok Roy, Aragya Rai, etc. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Meet the challenge of the current crisis of the second wave of COVID-19, the railways has been continuously successfully engaged in the movement of oxygen express and transportation of liquid therapeutic oxygen in various corners of the country. Indian Railway is active round the clock for uninterrupted transport of medical oxygen. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Mandal today on the occasion of World Environment Day strictly adhere to all precautions related to the COVID pandemic and appropriately honored all its personnel who made all kind of effort for environmental protection, as well as scarp material made a remarkable contribution to the creation of artistic work sharp to art. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Special train will run between Kolkata and Jammu Tawi for the conveyance of Asansol district, which are as under 03151 Kolkata Jammu Tawi special via Dankuni will open at 11:45 am every Monday, Tuesday and Thursday and Saturday from Kolkata till the next order is issued with effect from 8 June 2021 and will reach Jammu Tawi 9 hours on third day. For journey, the departure time of the train is Asansol will be 15:20 on the same day. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. ACP office for Asansol Durgapur Police Commissionerate Durgapur Division was inaugurated on Sunday. This new ACP office in Palasdihar will control 3 police stations in Durgapur Thana, Oven Thana and NTPC Thana of Durgapur will be taken care of by the new ACP office. But it was not in the right place, so there were many problems with the new ACP office. Overcoming all those problems, it will be much easier for the police to work. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Upnarayanpur and Jharkhand border, chief of Salanpur police station, some part of the alloy factory were burned to the ash by the terrible fire on the road. The furnace of the factory was on fire at 2 a.m. and on Saturday during the Janaza. Many parts of the factory were burned to the ashes due to the intense heat of the fire. The workers working in the factory were rushed to the safe place. According to the factory sources, crores of rupees have been lost even though no worker has been killed. The furnace of the factory was on the fire at 2 p.m. on Saturday during the Janaza. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. All the people of Purandihi village, a terrible village adjacent to the Impacts Ferro Tech Limited own power plant and adjacent factory joined the protest and the factory authorities, but there was no solution. The people of the terrible villagers are adamant in their words.
কিভাবে চালু হলো?
চালু এটা আমাদেরকে একটা লিখিতভাবে দিয়েছে আমাদের চরঙ্গি বড়বাবু, যে এটা আমাদের একবার রিকোয়েস্ট করে বলছে আমাদের যাতে আমাদের একটা কথা থাকে, আমাদের পুলিশ প্রশাসনের তরফ থেকে আমরা একটা ওকে কয়েকদিনের জন্য আমরা চালু করতে দিয়েছি।
কী শর্তে চালু করতে দিলেন আপনারা?
চালু করতে এটা যে টাইম নিয়েছে যে আমি ডাস্ট ধুলো এইগুলো আমি সব আপনার নিজে কন্ট্রোল করব কয়েকদিনের ভিতরে।
কন্ট্রোল হচ্ছে বলে মনে করছেন? আজ তো
না, কন্ট্রোল তো মনে হচ্ছে না কিছু, তাও আমরা একটা পুলিশের প্রশাসনের আমরা একটা ওদের ডিসিশনে মেনেছে।
এরপর যদি না হয় তাহলে আপনার
এরপর না হয় আমরা 2-3 দিন পরে আবার বন্ধ করে দেবো। এবার বন্ধ হয়ে গেলে এবার আমরা চালাতে দেবো না, আবার এবার কারো কথা আমরা শুনবো না।
আপনার নাম?
আমার নাম হচ্ছে শ্যামলাল বেসরা।
আপনি প্রধান?
না, আমি গ্রামের এক সদস্য প্রধান।
Let us hear Erasmus of News Movement. Life is like a flute. It may have many holes and impediments, but if you work on it carefully, it can play a magical melodies. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video, Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.